Before we dive in, make sure to watch through the end to see how much this repair actually costs. It often starts small, a little flake here, a rough patch there. Before you know it, the beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel in your otherwise pristine Mazda looks awful. If this is happening to you, I want you to know two things. You're not alone, and it's likely not your fault. And there's an official fix. But before I tell you what it costs, make sure to watch through the end of this video. This isn't just a forum rumor. It's an official document from Mazda to its dealerships called a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB. It's a guide for technicians on how to fix a known, widespread issue that isn't a safety recall. This specific one is TSB 0600125, also filed with the NHTSA under ID number 110136654. These numbers are your golden ticket. So what's actually going on? The TSB is direct. Insufficient wear resistance of the steering wheel surface coating. In plain English, the protective top layer is failing prematurely under normal, everyday contact. It's a manufacturing defect. You might first notice a sticky or gummy feeling, then see the top coat bubble or lift, eventually flaking off to reveal a dull, rougher texture underneath, often starting where you hold the wheel most. And this isn't limited to one model. Mazda has identified a huge range of vehicles spanning nearly a decade. The TSB specifically calls out the CX-3 2016 to 2021, CX-30 2020 to 2024, CX-5 2013 to 2022, CX-50 2023 to 2024, CX-9 2016 to 2021, Mazda 3 2014 to 2024, and Mazda 6 2014 to 2021. That's a massive swath of the Mazda lineup, from compacts to family SUVs, suggesting a systemic supplier issue affecting some of their most popular cars. When you visit the dealer, the TSB outlines a clear process. First, the technician cleans the area with mild soap and water to rule out external contaminants like hand sanitizer. This proves the material itself is failing. Once they confirm the peeling is still present, the diagnosis is confirmed. The fix isn't a patch-up job. The bulletin states to replace the entire steering wheel with a new, updated part, which has been revised to correct this flaw. Now, while this is a known defect, it's still wise to properly care for your steering wheel. Mazda advises against harsh chemical cleaners, waxes, or silicone-based protectants, and be especially mindful of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. The best practice is a simple, clean microfiber cloth, slightly dampened with water for regular cleaning. This helps avoid any potential disputes about the cause of damage. Now, who pays? Mazda states this repair is covered under the new vehicle limited warranty, typically 3 years or 36,000 miles. However, many owners online report getting initial pushback from dealers, who often dismiss the problem as normal wear and tear. The owners who succeed are the ones who come prepared. We've seen countless stories of dealers approving the replacement once the customer mentions TSB 0600125. It changes the conversation from your opinion versus theirs to you requesting an official repair. So if a service advisor dismisses your concern, politely but firmly say, "I understand, but could you please look up Technical Service Bulletin 0600125. It's also important to know this isn't a new problem. The YOT/25 SIA indicates this is the 25th revision of this document, with the first version appearing way back in 2017. This long history proves Mazda has been aware of this for years and keeps expanding the list of affected cars, strengthening your case. The bottom line is simple. If your Mazda is on that list, your wheel is peeling, and you are within your 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty, you are entitled to a new steering wheel. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. This official TSB is the proof you need to get this incredibly annoying issue resolved. So what does this repair actually cost? If you're under warranty and it's not chemical damage, absolutely nothing. Out of warranty? Expect to pay between $400 to $800 depending on your model and whether it's heated. Found this helpful? Smash that like button to help other Mazda owners find this info. Subscribe for more automotive TSB breakdowns and money-saving tips, and drop a comment below. What's your Mazda model and year? Let me know if you've dealt with this steering wheel issue. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power when dealing with your dealer.